Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptoversity. Today we are going to talk about the 4 coins which are going to give you 10 times of the money if you make an investment today. Now before we move ahead, Cryptoversity is not an official a suggestion is not going to give you any type of suggestion to make an investment. Before you make any of the investment, do your own research. We are here to just give you information. So I request you to do your own research before you make an investment. Thank you. Now let's move ahead and see what are those 4 coins which is going to give you 10 times of the money. And the first coin, it's obviously Shiba Inu. Now this coin has made a lot of sound from the last 4 to 5 months. So this coin has been launched on Binance in the month of May, and because of the launching on Binance, it has reached all the way to 405. Now in the month of May, the market has seen a correction and it has fallen all the way down to 505. Now if you might have bought it here, then obviously if it hits the previous all-time high, you'll make 10 times of the money. Still, if you have not bought here or if you haven't entered here, you can still make an entry in this point with whatever you can afford. I request you, don't go with high risk. Calculate your risk and make an investment. See, the moment it has been launched on Binance, it made this level. Now Shiba Inu is making their own roadmaps. So I believe if it gets launched on another exchange, Coinbase or anything, you can see another all-time high. So this is the right moment to enter and hold whatever it is, maybe $10 or $20 of investment you can do, and you can see what happens. Now the second coin is ONT, Ontology. Ontology had seen, it was launched on Binance in 2018 in the 6th month, which is June, and it went all the way up to $8, almost 8.6. So $8, and from there it had seen a long downfall, but still it's in the correction phase. No harm if you can make an entry, and if you believe in that, because they are trying to make some contracts, and let's see what happens. But if we keep the news aside, still entering at $1, which is now trading at $1, can give you almost 8 times of the money. If you might have entered somewhere here in the month of January of 2021, it would have given you more than 10 times of the money. But it's not late. You can make an entry again, and you can wait till it hits its previous all-time high, or it's up to you. Now let's move on to the third coin, which I love a lot, and I have my own decent investment in that, and that is Dent. Now Dent was launched in 2019 on Binance, and it doesn't made a significant improvement, but in the month of Jan in 2021, it had given a little signs of improvement. From there it didn't stop, and till April it made an all-time high. So for example, from in April it was like 0.02. From there it had fallen all the way to 001. Now even if you have made an entry here, and the previous all-time high, if it breaks the previous all-time high, it's more than 10 times. Now anyhow, it had made a decent up value, and it's at 006. Now if you make an entry here, again it's a decent investment for 10 times of money. And somehow I love Dent, and it has a decent projects to in terms of growth, and it has a decent supply, which has a possibility of reaching somewhere $1. Not now, it won't reach $1 in this year itself, but it's a long-term process. So investments are always about long-term. If you are a long-term investor, I suggest you to look at Dent. Now the fourth coin and the last coin is Win. Now I know you'll say, just leave the win. No, you have to look at the win. See, win came on Binance in 2019. From 2019 there is no movement. I mean, there is no positive or a great movement. Uh, but in 2021 the movement was good in this coin, and it made upward, and in the month of April, it had seen all-time high. Now again, I have a decent investment in this. I won't suggest you to invest, but it's completely up to you. I believe in this and I made an investment. If you want to do, it's completely up to you. But I'm telling you, if you make an entry now, you can see at least more than 8 times or more than 7 times of the money if it breaks its previous all-time high. So now it's trading at somewhere around 306. That's good. Its previous all-time high is 002, and now anyhow the market is getting corrected, and even BTC is making decent movement. So this is the right time for you to make proper investments. See what you can invest, and whether it will break its previous all-time high, then make your then make an entry in that. Try to hold for long time. Then you will see more profits. Thank you for listening to Win. We'll come up with another interesting video for you. Thanks a lot.